Is your Toyota Kluger's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door liftgate switches and a weak key fob battery. First, inspect all door and liftgate seals for damage or debris. These switches detect if a door is fully closed. Corrosion or physical obstructions can trigger false door ajar signals. A failing key fob battery, indicated by a voltage below 2.5 volts, can also cause issues, as the system might interpret a weak signal as a security threat. Replacing the CR2032 battery inside the fob is a simple fix. Prioritize these easy-to-check components before moving on to more complex solutions. If the door and liftgate switches and fob battery are functioning correctly, try resetting the alarm system. First, ensure all doors and the liftgate are fully closed and locked. Second, turn the ignition on and off 5 times within 10 seconds. Third, hold the lock button on your key fob for 3 to 5 seconds. This clears any error codes in the body control module. The body control module, or BCM, is the brain of your vehicle's alarm system. It monitors inputs from various sensors and can sometimes develop software glitches that cause false alarms. If the basic reset doesn't work, you may need a more comprehensive BCM reset using an OBD2 scanner. This diagnostic tool connects to your vehicle's computer and can reset the system to factory defaults, clearing persistent error codes. Be aware that aftermarket modifications can interfere with CAN bus communication and mimic alarm faults. For recurring issues, especially in hybrid models or high-mileage vehicles, consult a certified mechanic to rule out BCM glitches or sensor malfunctions. Toyota Technical Service Bulletins may also offer solutions for known issues.